The person asking this is asking, is insurance a scam?
Ukweli wa mambo kufikia hapa na hatujamaliza kuhesabu.
There are 1,384 complaints. 738 of them were able to be resolved during this particular period of time, and left an outstanding of 646 unresolved claims. What was paid out in claims during this period was 118.24 billion. Good to note, this is not the complete data, since some of the companies failed to submit their returns, or rather the information, in good time. Hello and welcome to the Daily Insurance Answers, where we take questions posed by you, the policy holders, or other people interested in insurance or looking forward to learn more about insurance. So the question of today is a very simple one. The person asking this is asking, is insurance a scam? So first of all, what we need to know is have a clear definition of what a scam actually is, and try to demystify this information in respect to the current insurance conditions within the Kenyan market. So an important thing to note is definition of a scam is a fraudulent or deceptive act of operation. So based on my opinion, this doesn't fit well with the definition of insurance. So a lot of people try and use this as an example due to their experience, rather with the industry or what they've heard about insurance. So it's true, some of the insurance businesses don't go as explained, and that's why you have complaints. So according to the data from last year reported to IRA, and it's also good to note this is not the complete data, since some of the companies failed to submit their returns, or rather the information, in good time. So we can basically use this to get a clear understanding of how the dynamics of the Kenyan insurance market is. So for the 9 months of 2022, the total collected premium, or rather the gross premium, was 239.57, or rather 0.58 billion. So that's the collected premium, the amount which people paid for insurance. What was paid out in claims during this period was 118.24 billion. So this can also be verified on the returns by these particular insurance companies. And out of this, there were 6,124,745 reported claims. And this covers all the way from general to life business. And from these claims which were reported, only complaints were 1,384. And when I say these complaints, these are not complaints to the insurance companies, but complaints lodged with IRA. So if you're disgruntled or you have issues with the insurance, it's always good, or rather prudent, for you to report this matter to IRA. And once they were reported, there are 1,384 complaints. 738 of them were able to be resolved during this particular period of time, and left an outstanding of 646 unresolved claims, or rather unresolved complaints. So for these unresolved complaints, you can pick it up further with legal advice, or follow up more with IRA. Maybe your matter couldn't be resolved within this particular 3 months and needed more time. And then out of these operations, there are also some fraud cases which were reported, or which were brought to the attention of the regulator. So that's a total of 112 fraud cases during this particular period of time. So based on this information, it's good to note that the Kenyan market is actually responsive to insurance based on the number of people purchasing insurance, rather the number or the amount paid for insurance during this particular period of time. And it's also good to note this is not the full year, this is 9 months, and it's based on returns filed by insurance companies on a quarterly basis. So for you to be able to get a clearer understanding of how insurance works, it's always good to consult, get first-hand information, and also be able to use your own knowledge and your own understanding to be able to identify if you really need a particular product and if the product is clear to you. So if you don't understand the insurance product, it's better off if you don't take it at this particular time until you have a clear grasp of how the product works. And in the unfortunate event that you've fallen into the hands of maybe a fraudster or the company has gone under, now that's when the matter gets serious and it's taken to the next level where you have to report to the regulator. So it's true, some of the cases within the insurance market are case-to-case basis have a bad impact on you as the policy holder. So always get professional advice and mind that you're looking for the particular product which you need, and also have a clear understanding of how these things work.